Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add the 200 SMA on NinjaTrader. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open NinjaTrader, then go to this icon here at the top. Click on it. Go to available, scroll down, and you will see here SMA. So scroll down, this one. Click on it 2 times. Now go to period and type here 200. Now scroll down and you will see here SMA. Click on it. And you can change the color and the width or the thickness from here. So click on it. And we have here, for example, this spring green. Click on it. And for the thickness, I will choose, for example, 5. Click on OK. And as you can see here, this is our 200 SMA. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.